Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to put my non-existing sewing skills to the test and make some face masks. When I was younger I really tried to make clothes for myself or my Barbie dolls, but I wasn't really good at it. But I've seen a lot of YouTube tutorials from with Wendy, Navarros, so maybe let's grab my sewing machine and some leftover fabric and let's do this. First thing I do when making a face mask is cutting out 2 layers of fabric. I sew the sides together and the top piece. Then I add the elastic, or for this one I use the simple cord. And that's it. Your face mask is ready. Now let's make some more and film a little lookbook. Enjoy!
Hey, I don't get what this is about. You got my head spinning on my shoulders. I feel a burn inside of my chest. See the lines as they blur out. I can feel it knocking me out. You're bringing me higher and higher in every way. And all of my doubts, I can feel them, they're fading away. Cause you got me feeling like I'm lucid dreaming, got me flying high. Cause I can't believe that I get to have you close. On an endless road I'm levitating now, in one of those lucid dreams. Wait, you gotta tell me what you did. I saw the world turning in my mind. Oh, yesterday you pulled the rug under my feet. Said I'm trying to wake me up. What if I'm making it all up? You're bringing me higher and higher in every way. And all of my doubts, I can feel them, they're fading away. Oh, you're like a fantasy. I know this can't be real. I'm falling way down, all delusional.
Thank you for watching this week's video. I hope to see you again next week. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, it's down below. Bye bye!